Should a mature woman dare to go braless? Oh, I know. Just saying that out loud might make some people clutch their pearls. But let's be honest. Haven't you ever felt that overwhelming sense of relief the moment you unhook that bra after a long day? Haven't you ever wondered, do I really need this thing? Or is it just something we've been conditioned to wear without question? And let's talk about something so many women experience but rarely discuss: how our bodies change as we age. Maybe your chest isn't the same as it was in your 30s. Maybe menopause has made everything feel heavier, more sensitive, or just different. One day your favorite bra feels fine, and the next it's tight, irritating, or just downright uncomfortable. But does that mean a bra is always necessary? Or is it simply a habit we've followed for years? Some say going braless is inappropriate. Others insist that a proper lady should always wear a bra. But let's pause for a second. Is there really one right answer? And more importantly, why should a woman's choice about her own body be up for debate in the first place? Whether you choose to wear a bra or not, shouldn't we all respect each other's personal comfort and decisions? So, if you've ever wondered how to look polished, put together, and totally confident while going braless, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm giving you the best styling tips for going braless with grace and elegance, without feeling self-conscious for even a second. Let's dive right in, shall we? Let's start with a powerful trick: strategic use of colors. Consider an outfit with a red shoe and red clutch. The bold pop of red immediately draws attention to the feet and hands, rather than the bust. This trick works best when the rest of the outfit is neutral and understated, like a black top with light-washed jeans. Example: a navy or black tunic paired with dark-washed jeans and vibrant yellow pumps with a matching clutch. Why it works: high contrast directs the eye toward the most vibrant elements of the outfit, keeping attention away from the bust. Why does this work? The way we perceive clothing is deeply rooted in visual psychology. The eye is drawn to high contrast and bright colors. The brain naturally picks up bright and contrasting colors first because they stand out. Example: an all-black outfit with vibrant cobalt blue shoes ensures that people's eyes land on the shoes rather than the chest. Conversely, a yellow top with a matching handbag draws attention to the upper body, making the chest more noticeable. Instead, opt for an outfit like this second look, where the eye is drawn downward thanks to a bold yellow coat. Another example: wearing light blue on top and a darker blue shade underneath shifts attention downward, subtly balancing the outfit. Patterns are powerful tools in fashion. They can attract, distract, reshape, and direct the eye. The eye is naturally attracted to repeating patterns. The brain craves order. Patterns naturally catch attention because they create a sense of structure. However, the placement of the pattern matters. Example: a sweater with bold patterns on the shoulders and upper chest, but a solid lower half, shifts focus away from the bust and toward the face. So, how can you use patterns to your advantage? Here are 4 outfit formulas that keep eyes on your overall look, not your chest. One way is by using bold accessories and color contrasts. Statement outerwear, such as mustard coats and yellow blazers, creates a strong focal point, keeping the chest area in the background. Strategic color blocking with visually striking lower halves like bold skirts or patterned bottoms makes the bust area secondary. Another trick is pattern placement. Horizontal stripes evenly distributed prevent the eye from resting on the bust. Layering patterns, like a herringbone coat over a striped top, adds complexity and makes the eye travel rather than focus on one area. A dark base, like a brown turtleneck, prevents the bust from being a focal point. Now let's talk about a classic styling trick that can help balance your silhouette. Geometric and vertical prints. Take this outfit, for example. A structured geometric print coat instantly creates symmetry across the body, guiding the eye smoothly rather than letting it settle on one area. The belted waist blazer then adds definition, ensuring the bust doesn't become the focal point. High-waisted trousers complete the look by elongating the lower half, pulling attention downward in a natural and flattering way. Another simple yet effective approach is layering. A collared shirt peeking from under a sweater adds depth and texture, keeping the focus on the overall structure of the outfit rather than any single feature. Jackets layered over vertically striped dresses work in the same way by softening harsh lines and distributing attention evenly. Monochromatic color play, like olive greens and browns, seamlessly blends different elements together, so there's no harsh contrast, making one area stand out too much. I know patterns and layering can seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. If anything felt a little tricky, don't worry. Feel free to rewatch this part so you can really see how these tricks work in action. Fashion is all about experimenting, and once you see these techniques in play, it'll all start to click. Before I wrap up this pattern section, let me give you the simplest trick of them all: wearing distracting bottoms with solid colored tops. This is one of the easiest ways to shift attention away from the bust while maintaining a stylish and balanced look. Think bold printed skirts, vibrant pants, or textured trousers paired with a neutral or single-tone top. This contrast naturally pulls the eye downward and keeps the upper body looking refined and effortless. If you're conscious about your chest, opt for colors that flatter your skin tone and provide a slimming effect. And no, this doesn't mean sticking to black. Dark chocolate brown is great for warm and deep skin tones, especially medium to dark complexions, as it creates depth and draws attention to the face rather than the chest. Forest green or deep olive works well for warm and neutral undertones, especially those with olive or golden skin, as it keeps the look grounded and prevents focus from lingering on a single area. Plum or deep eggplant enhances cool undertones while adding richness without creating harsh contrasts. Deep navy blue is a polished alternative to black that elongates and balances the body. By using these fashion techniques, you control where the eye goes, ensuring that people notice your entire, well-styled outfit rather than focusing on just one area. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these outfits or styling tricks did you love the most? Are you feeling more confident about going braless and rocking these looks effortlessly? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more styling tips that help you look and feel your best.